Hello guys, thank you very much for watching my all videos and I welcome all of you at my MACFXPRO YouTube channel. First of all, I really thankful to all of you for watching my all videos. And in this video, basically I am making this video for the beginners which are on the start levels and don't know how the actually can trade, how to find the exact entry point of buying, how to find the exit point of buying. So today we will discuss. I have designed a very simple strategy for the beginners. Okay, so before start the topic, I request to you please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon also for further best videos, because as if you are my subscriber, as you know, I always try my best to bring for you the best knowledge, best strategies, and I always try to give you the education with very easy way. Okay, so for your better understanding, so let's come on the topic. Okay, so you can see here in this chart very easily, very easily, when you attach this strategy to this chart, very easily you can find the buy levels and sell level. First of all, I want to tell to all of you, this strategy is totally free. You can contact with me at my WhatsApp number and can get this strategy also free of cost. Okay, so you can see here basically this indicator will automatically give you the signal. For example, I tag the USD JPY. Okay, you can see here the market was going upside. This was the resistance level. I will show you in zoom in. You can see here this was the resistance level. Here you can see this was the resistance level. This is also the resistance level. This is also the resistance level. So this indicator give you the signal, get ready, like a ready level for selling. So this is the not exact point of selling, because market is going upside. You need to wait for one candle, minimum one candle in bearish trend, then you can do sell. For example, market is going up, this is the ready level for selling, but you need to wait for the bearish trend. So you can see here one bearish trend when occur at this place, this was the exact selling level, market is going down. Similarly, we will do in the buying area also. So basically this system is very easy for utilization for the beginners. If you are a beginner, you can contact with me. I will give you the system free of cost. I hope you understand. Very easily you can trade with different kind of time frame also. For example, I attach this strategy with USD JPY pair in H1, and I will try another also. You can see here this was the get ready level. It's mean this indicator give you the signal ready, and after few minutes, if this one candle close, H1 candle close in the bearish trend, then the next market will go down. Similarly here you can see when market was at this point, you can see here it's mean get ready for the buy signal, and when market was upside, you can see market is going up. So very easily for the beginners, this indicator automatically calculate the price levels, calculate the support and resistance levels, and very easy for utilization. Thank you so much for watching my video, and again I request to you like and subscribe my YouTube channel for further best videos. Goodbye. If you have any kind of question, must give your feedback, your review in comment box. Thank you so much.